Well, my life has changed with all the work that I've had done, because before I started any of this, I wouldn't smile. I didn't feel comfortable smiling. And I was always hiding my teeth.
He didn't smile before. He was self-conscious, and he had a small smile. He wouldn't do a big smile at all.
I met Steve through his wife, Terry. And so as I began my journey on being able to diagnose and treat more complex dental care, Terry began to ask me questions about could I help her husband. But basically he came in and he didn't like his smile, but his main concern was he had a lot of pain with his jaw joints. So we did our initial workup on him, and that involved, this is well before the digital age came into being, that involved taking a series of impressions and bite records, some diagnostic imaging with x-rays and things. And what we discovered is, once we got that information together, is that Steve had a compound problem. We realized that it wasn't just the teeth and their position that was creating the problem, that he actually had a skeletal problem as well to compound the issues. And so there's only so much that we could do with his teeth to help improve joint stability, and the rest would have to be done from a surgical standpoint.
Davis talked me through this treatment, because I had put it off for a while, but he talked me through it, and I had total trust in him. Just needed to do it. And then once I started, well, I didn't want to stop. I wanted to keep on until we got it done.
We had accomplished a lot of the work, but the wear that had occurred on his teeth, particularly his lower teeth, were very unsightly, and he didn't like that. And so we had a treatment plan in there to rebuild his lower teeth as well as the upper teeth, improve the appearance of things. We got the lower teeth rebuilt. He was a trooper through all of it. He's never one to complain. He's a relatively quiet guy.
When I saw my smile for the first time, I was actually very pleased, because I had this fear that it was going to look fake and I was not going to be very happy. But to me, it doesn't look fake. It looks very natural. In fact, there's some of my family that doesn't even know I've had it done.
And now he smiles all the time and laughs big, and it's made a big difference in just how he feels about himself.
I'd like to tell Davis and his team, thank you very much, and I appreciate y'all's professionalism. I enjoy going there because I like seeing everybody there, cut up. And he always comes and says hi, doesn't matter what's going on. Just a good bunch of people. I'd recommend it to anybody.
I mean, they make you feel so welcome. From the girls in the front, they're just so sweet, but they're professional, but they're just so friendly to the hygienists. We almost have a hard time having my teeth clean because we try to talk and laugh too much, and they're just, all of them are just wonderful. I have personally referred at least 4 different people that go to him now, just because he's just so great. The whole team is so great.
I have total trust in him and his team. Just put yourself in his hands, he'll take care of you. They explain stuff very well, not pushy. It's just a great experience.